What's up, guys? It's June 17th, 2024. Bulls had a really nice day today. Kind of climactic price action, really easy. Big bars racing to resistance, breaking out continuously. Daily chart, we had a gap up, sideways, and now we're breaking out again. It's good for the Bulls. I mean, how much more can they go? I'm not sure. We're pretty far away from the EMA. It's hard to tell about the numbers because the contract rollover is kind of throwing off the numbers here. So we'll just talk about the price action. I noticed they were different between TradingView and NinjaTrader today when I was trading live. So yeah, gap up, sideways, breaking out. Let's see what happens if we go sideways, pull back, or just keep trending higher. 2 seconds here. Okay. So the day doesn't start off. So yesterday, the bull channel. Bears were buying lows. Yes, the day before. So we had a gap up, pull back into the EMA, bounced, made a double bottom, and then we went sideways, and then we started to break out today. So bar one. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Starting off with yesterday's price action, we continued it today. We had a gap down. Bar one, bears sold off and reverse higher. Bar two, bears are selling the EMA. Bar three, bad for the bears. However, give me 2 seconds. Okay, yeah. So bar one is a range, and now we're trading at the high of this bar's range, and then bears sell off, and we bounce off bar one's low, which happens to be the EMA as well. This becomes a bear trap. Bears never get a chance to get out unless they go short here and scalp out quickly. You could go short here, here. That's 50%. Leg one, strong enough. I think this breakout is strong enough for leg two, and that was there. Leg one, pull back leg two. This is also a bull flag. Bullish pressure. Bears are starting to get trapped. They're going short. Bar 12. Bears went short here, but got no continuation. Bar 13 opened higher, and so they never really got a way out unless they went short here, which is quite hard to do. Bar 15 is a bull bar. What I'm trying to get at is during trends is when one side gets trapped. In this case, the bears got trapped. That's what I'm talking about. Like they get short but no continuation. So that's how trends are formed. Is when one side is forced to do when one side is forced to do what the other side is doing. So bulls are buying, bears are buying back shorts. So both sides are buying and the market's moving higher. So we have breakout. We have a bull flag. Bulls have a target above here. We're breaking out yesterday's range, so the target is going to be a measured move yesterday's range. So here's yesterday's range, so the low and the high and the breakout, and then this becomes our target here. And you can see the market went sideways at the target. It was reached and went sideways. I went short here and got trapped. I just bought back and held for a couple more points and made it back. And then I got trapped again here and hit out. So yeah, I had a good day, but I gave back a lot right here, which kind of sucks. I hit out really fast here. I lost not too much here, but here was bad because I held on until 76, thinking we were gonna bounce for one more test higher. Breakout of the EMA, pull back, and then we break out of yesterday's range. So that resets the market cycle. We have a bull flag, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Here's a wedge top. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. It's a bull flag, and it breaks out again. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. The market cycle resets every time there's a breakout. So breakout of the EMA, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Breakout of yesterday's range, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four. And then here's a fractal wedge top, right? Well, it's not even fractal. There's a wedge top right here. So it's leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Super easy to get trapped here. We're hitting resistance. I thought we tagged the EMA. We haven't tagged it for over 20 bars. We're turning around at resistance. So yeah, I thought that would be a good I ended up getting trapped, and market bar 46 breaks out, trapping the bears, including myself. We go sideways, another bull flag, sideways, bull flag, climactic price action, bar 57 sets the tone for the afternoon, breaks the trend line. bulls get the retest, and then the market goes sideways. So this is the full market cycle. Breakout, pull back, 3 legs higher. So the breakout, channel phase, first pullback, and then we channel higher for 3-4 legs, then we go sideways. So this is the whole market cycle right in front of us. That's how I was trading it today. I just thought the EMA was going to be support. I thought this was range, but it ended up being this was a 451 was around the support. When the market's reversing, the targets for the bears become the previous failed breakouts. These flags are all failed breakouts for the bears. So a bull flag is a failed two-legged breakout right here for the bears. Leg 1, bears fail. Leg 2, bears fail. Leg 3, bears fail. That creates a wedge top. They get trapped and they go higher. Bull trend day, really good day for the bulls. It was a 71-point day. That's great. Hope you guys made some money on that. I think it was kind of hard. I could definitely see how people were getting cut, going short around here, maybe going short here, getting trapped. So it's definitely not as straightforward as it looks, but let me know how you guys did. Ask any questions. Let me know what you guys are doing, what you guys are up to. Keeping it short today. It was a bull trend, buy the close rally, breaking out of resistance, a lot of bull flags. Hope you guys are doing good. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for the support. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.